Look what Jed did. He bought another riding mower. It's actually a quote-unquote racing mower-ish. It's pretty rough. We got a lot of work to do on this thing. We got 3 days to fix all the messed up stuff that somebody else did when they built it. So let me show you what we got going on. It's pretty awesome. So first things first on this mower, keep in mind, Jed or myself did not build this thing. This was one that a mutual friend found on Facebook Marketplace, sent it to me, I sent it to Jed, he happened to be in the area. He goes over, checks it out, and buys this from this young guy, gentleman. Did not give full asking price because it was not worth full asking price. It does have some really cool parts on it. Like I think the rear axle was probably really expensive at one point. The spindles and the knuckles on the front end look like quality actual cart type stuff. The rest of it is terrible. It is booger welded together, which I'm not making fun of anybody's welding because you have to start somewhere, but it's over engineered yet very underbuilt. Yeah, is probably the best way to put it. For instance, they didn't make the pitman arm off the end of the steering column long enough, so it turns really, really sharp to the right, and then you go to turn left and get about an eighth of the way through the turn, and the pitman arm actually cams over on the drag link, and it turns you to the right. So turn left, and all of a sudden, boop, takes the tires and blows you to the right. It's interesting for sure. So that's what I'm going to work on, is trying to fix the steering on this thing. While I'm doing that, Jed has to move the brake from the right hand footwell over to the left hand footwell, because the brake, when you actually apply it, hits the right front tire, and it just doesn't feel right having the brake on the right hand side. So we're going to move it to the left hand side. Oh, the throttle on the steering wheel is run by a little finger throttle thingy. Pew, pew, pew. And it sucks. It's terrible. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Another morning here in the garage, and we're back on Jed's racing mower. This thing is a peach. Holy cow. The digger we deep. Let's see. The deeper we dig on this thing, kind of the worse it gets, and the closer we look at it, it's like, ooh, geez. So we went ahead, changed out the steering wheel for a set of handlebars here, which is going to work way better. Took the little finger throttle off of it and put a thumb throttle on it. Jed got the brakes, moved over to the left-hand side so it doesn't interfere with the tires. I lengthened the pitman arm so we have full range of steer left to right. But now we're working on the seat. Yeah, the seat was pretty much about to fall off. Check out,
kind of baggy.
Yeah, check out this mounting plate. It's not good. Yeah, I mean, just because you add more metal doesn't make it better. So yeah, we've got to re-engineer. Oh, and check out this killer sprocket protector thinger guy. That's sick. But yeah, so anyways, we've got to re-engineer this, and I think we're actually going to change the entire seat out, aren't we?
Yeah, because these plastic inserts that hold the seat on, I mean, they're just...
Yeah, that's safe.
That's all that's holding the seat on.
Those two little clips right there, huh?
I don't know, it's not metal, it's plastic. Like,
Yeah.
I just don't know that you trust it with your life.
With your ass.
So your ass fall off and you're dead.
Yeah. Another thing I noticed this morning, or last night, I don't know which one it was. I think it was this morning, was the rear axle. It's kind of like a dirt bike rear axle. To adjust the chain, you know, slide the axle forward or back. When they mounted it upside down, so the adjustment goes top to bottom. So you could adjust the ride height, I guess, if you want. See that adjuster right there? Adjust the axle this way. It's supposed to go this way so you can tighten the chain. not quite certain what they were thinking there, but it's a really cool rear axle. I bet it was really expensive. We're not filming a lot on this thing because it's just, we're kind of under the gun.
You can't even pull the bolts out.
What? Oh yeah. Oh, that's what they did. They built the plate and they're like, this is too soft, so they just welded. Yeah. That's awesome. Oh, they've even got supports underneath. Just because you add more metal doesn't make it stronger. Just saying. Well, good morning there, DBF family. Today's the day. We are gonna load up these mowers and we're gonna go race some lawnmowers. We introduced to you last minute the red mower that Jed bought off of Marketplace. That thing was so poorly executed, it was not even funny. We didn't film a whole lot of us fixing a lot of the problems on it, but you know, we were at a time crunch. The other thing is what we're taking over there today is we're taking the off-road scooters. So he called me and says, hey, bring your scooters over. We'll circle track those things too. It's gonna be a dang good time. I mean, what's better than racing scooters, off-road circle track, and racing lawnmowers? Yeah, that's the kind of person I am. We got all the scooters lined up over here. We got 4 out of the 5. The old red one that our buddy was riding when we did the off-road scootering, I actually gave to another buddy, and well, I'll just drop the text clip that he sent me right here.
We can keep from crashing, Kevin. We're going to beat you. But I already did a header without a helmet.
So we're going to get everything loaded up, and we'll see you guys over there. All right, new development. This thing ran like a top of the house. Get it over here, unload it, won't start. Lost spark somewhere, so we're trying to figure out what wires are killing spark, or if it's like CDI box or something. But Oh Yellow might be dead finally. It's a sad day, actually.
It is kind of a sad day. She was a runner.
Yeah, she's a runner.
We're trying to jump wire to wire, see if we can get it to get spark right off. This is our ignition switch right here. So Jed salvaged him a piece of wire. We're gonna start jumping points.
I knew I should have brought my power probe.
I know, right?
Well, we've had a casualty. Turns out the old yellow scooter, for some reason, the CDI box decided to leave the chat from Kanab to Orderville. So 30-minute drive. Started up, drove in the trailer fine this morning. This afternoon, no spark. So we're down to 3 Chinese scooters and 2 mowers, but that's all right. So I think Jed and Jace and Oren are gonna man the scooters. I'll man the camera, and then we'll go from there.
We're gonna go 3 laps.
All right, scooter time, Jed, Jace, and Oren. 3 laps on the scooters.
Yeah, I saw multiple techniques right there. We had the double foot pumper. Go, go, go. All right, folks, here it is. Go, go, go. Woo-hoo! Wipe out. He knew that our fire department and ambulance was staying close. Alright, this is the 3rd lap. Go, go, go. Oh, go, go, go. Playing defense.
Oh, that was great.
Yep.
I think that was Jet on that one, wasn't it? What happened? I died! Nice work, dude.
All right,
Good job.
Congratulations, guys. Here we go. Let's bring the scooters right up here to Andy on our top.
So let me interrupt this real quick and kind of explain what's going on, why I'm actually on the scooter for this round. So the way it worked is the heat that I was in was basically kind of like a grudge heat. So I was able to ride Jed's scooter, the black one, and Chris, who is the son of the guy that had the red scooter, was on the red scooter. And once we got in the arena, that scooter would not run. So what I did is I told him to run back to the pits, grab the blue scooter that Oren was on, race it so he could compete. And then after that race, we went out, got the red scooter running. So after that race, I actually gave up the spot that I won in that qualifying race to Chris's dad, Christian, so he had a chance to race a scooter in the event. So hopefully that makes sense. It was a little confusing, but you know, now you guys know kind of what's going on.
Winner chicken dinner. We got it.
We've been having some competitors cutting the. We've got 3 laps, 3 scooters on your mark and set, go! Oh, the pushing! Woo! We're almost 3 wide. Here we go. They're getting it. One of them wants to drive before because I see him working that way. He's used to it. It's a giant combination of skill and bravery. Oh, we go! Here it is, final lap! Last time to show your skill in this heat! Go, 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 fellas! Don't hold back! And style! Don't stop!
Alright, so I made the final on the scooter, but we don't have enough scooters for everybody, so I actually gave my spot up to Chris on the red scooter where his didn't run last go around. So here we go. Jason's gonna biff it again.
Following close at his heels. Woo! Oh my, look at the stretch on that leg. All right, here we go, go, go. All right, go, go, go. We got
That was pretty awesome. So the way this modified class works over at this particular event is you have to switch out drivers every 5 laps. So where we had 4 drivers and 2 machines, myself and Jace started off on the green mower, Oren and Jed started off on the red mower, and once they both got their 5 laps in, we both basically switched teams and jumped across and drove each other's mowers both 5 laps each. That way all of us could experience driving both mowers throughout the entire race. So it was kind of fun, so let's get back to the race.
So 5 laps, bring it in, swap drivers, 5 more laps, same thing. Drivers, are you ready? Coming in first. We got him cruising, Furman.
Well, that turned out pretty dang good. We got first and second place in the mowers and first and second place in the scooters, right? Overall, so DBF did pretty good at the old mower race. We're gonna split the winnings 4 ways around between all 4 of us, so that was a good time. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see the full uncut version of the entire mower race, I'm gonna build another video and I'm gonna post it. So all you gotta do is click on this video right here and go check it out. Louis says go check it out or he's gonna bite my toes. He won't bite my toes. He ain't got a mean bone in his body.